Last year at this time, last May, we had the macro burst come through the southern part of Dutchess County, literally across my assembly district, and in fact, right through my neighborhood. My whole family was home at the time, and many trees down, a lot of damage. And when something like that comes out of the blue, you need stability and you need information, and both the Red Cross and Central Hudson filled those very vital roles.
Whether you're in a neighborhood dealing with a power outage due to a storm, whether you're a first responder at a scene that needs the help of the utility crews at Central Hudson to make the scene safe, it's a good feeling when now that white and blue striped truck pulls up.
We could get into a situation where we have a fire, a house fire within the county. Power needs to be cut to the residents to ensure that the safety of the firemen. They come in, they cut the power, they secure the building, the firefighters take care of the fire, and then the Red Cross comes in and provides the services for the residents.
As the community has grown, so has Central Hudson, and their response capability has grown tremendously over the years, being able to call crews in based on the need, right? Very methodical, and that's very comforting, you know, for someone who is out of power or worried about, being out of power.
Central Hudson had the information, and were literally boots on the ground dealing with the issue. They were able to communicate where you could drive and where you should not drive due to down wires. And Central Hudson had a good idea of when the power was going to be back on.
Conference calls, emails, cell phones, personal numbers that call me when you need me. You know, I'm the representative that is working in this particular area for Central Hudson.
We do what we can do on our level, but a big institution like Central Hudson is able to do so much. We're very lucky to have both these great institutions in our community.
Simply, keep up the good work. Central Hudson does a great job. You've been terrific and proactive over the years. Your outreach to the community, to the emergency management, has been outstanding. So keep up the good work.
You know, when they say people, power, and possibilities, they really mean it, because they are a community asset that we're so very lucky to have.